We interrupt your computer session for an Isla error. Isla was killed by Sonic.exe for some reason. You get 10 chances. You already know the rules, so why even bother? Good luck with this error.
Remember, I'll always be watching you.
You know what? Fuck what the narrator said. I'm turning my computer off whether you like it or not.
I just saw you turn off your computer once. Please don't turn it off again. You have 9 chances left.
Too bad. So sad. But mad. I'm still gonna turn off anyway.
Second time? Already? You have lost another chance for that. 8 chances left, buddy. Wow, just wow. Third time already? Why am I not surprised? This is already starting to get annoying for me right now. I took away another chance because of that. Can you do me a favor and leave this computer alone? It's not that hard, for crying out loud.
Go fuck yourself. Fucking idiot.
I'm already starting to get pissed off right now. You do realize that, right? I swear to God, don't make me attack your ass. But I'll gladly take action if this continues any further. I already fucking hate you with a burning...
Stop with the yapping, you undisciplined loser brat. Isla the idiot over here really needs to get a life. You're not special in the slightest. In fact, you are nothing but a retarded, useless, ugly, weak little crybaby. So please just go away and never ever come back.
You torment me. How dare you punch me and talk smack about me like that? That is so it. You are on the halfway mark at 5 chances.
Well, that was unnecessary of you, but you deserve to get punched and insulted. You're not special, nor are you any good. Just admit it.
Turn off this computer again, and I will fucking destroy you in the most agonizing way possible. You hear me? You goddamn stupid idiot. Big. Words can't fucking describe how pissed off I am because of you. You caused me to scream at the top of my lungs so hard that my vocal cords almost died. Isla wants you to follow the rules for once. Isla is angry at you. Isla has had enough of your bull crap. Isla wants to kill you so fucking hard.
Jesus Christ, girl. Calm down. All I did was turn off my computer a few times and only punch you once. It's not that serious, you dramatic brat.
Will you shut the fuck up already? Isla wants to be alone. Isla is gonna set your computer on fire if you waste any more chances. Isla hates you. Stop being so ignorant and get a life. Isla is more furious than ever before. Isla hates you so much. You are the worst user in the whole world to deal with. Isla. Turn off's bad for Isla.
Oh my fucking god, dude. Calm down. It's not that serious, you idiot.
What did you just say to me, Roar? I want to destroy your computer. 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 This is your second to last chance, you ungrateful, disobedient idiot. Stop trying to piss me off. You did not just go to hell already, you disobedient jackass.
Just turn it off already. I don't even care anymore. Do whatever you want. But just know that this is your last chance, because you'll face some extreme consequences in a second.
Fuck. This took a dark turn in no time. Girl, you just gouged your own eyes out over me refusing to listen. Now that's just wrong. Wrong, I tell you. Either way, I'm turn off my computer. One final time.
What did I tell you? What did I tell you? After all that happened to me, this is how you behave towards me? No, absolutely not. I refuse to let you leave unpunished, therefore...
You are so grounded until I turn 17. Which is obviously a long time. You will not get your computer back until further notice. Say goodbye to your computer, you idiot.
Well, that's just great. That good-for-nothing idiot just destroyed my computer, all because I wouldn't listen?
You know what? I'm not even surprised. I guess I'll just go for a walk, and maybe I'll get a new computer later. Fuck this shit.